this is your ancestor.
Me neither. But she is.
But this one's working with Naraku, so we can't just ignore the situation.
You're right. Prepare yourself, Utsugi.
Wait, Inuyasha!
I see your spirit has grown stronger. In that case...
What are you saying? It's because you're weak. Are you ready, Utsugi?
Wait, don't do it!
Why are you stopping me, Kagome?
Yeah, we can destroy her right now.
If we kill Utsugi, you will disappear too!
What? Me too?
It's not over yet.
You're running away! Wait!
Don't! If we kill Utsugi, might just...
Why?
Utsugi is your ancestor, even before your mother. If she dies...
If Utsugi dies, the generations after will never be born.
That means that I won't be born either?
I don't know for sure. If that is the case, I won't be surprised if you disappear.
It can't be.
Then all we can do is go after Naraku for now. Naraku has the answers to this mystery.
Okay, let's capture Naraku and interrogate him about Utsugi.
I agree. First, we have to go after Naraku.
Thank you, everyone. I don't know what to do about Utsugi, but for now, we just need to go after Naraku.
Okay, let's find Naraku.
It doesn't matter where he hides. We'll find him sooner or later. Huh?
We finally found you, Naraku.
You fools. Did you come to die?
What did he say?
You're just in time to see my new incarnation come to life.
His neck!
When it's set free, it even tries to kill me.
What is this thing? It has no head, but it's still talking.
This is Naraku's demon puppet.
What's a demon puppet?
It's a fake apparition of Naraku made from a mud dog.
Damn it. We came all this way to see a dog.
Don't be so disappointed. You're no match for my ogre. There's no doubt that I will kill you before you can reach me.
Damn you! Shut up!
Careful, here he comes! Come!
got him.
Yeah, but Naraku got away.
I think Naraku planned to get rid of us and Sashomaru all at once.
But I'm glad you're safe.
I have every one of you to thank.
And everyone is safe, too.
Yes. And next time, we'll all bring Naraku down.
Yeah, you're right. We'll get him next time.
But I wonder where Naraku has escaped to.
Yeah, and he hasn't left any clues behind.
Why don't we go to Kaede's village? Kaede may know something. Besides, we haven't been back there in a long time. She's probably pretty worried.
Yes, you're right.
Oh, where has Naraku gone? I can't sense him from here. Anyway, you guys look very tired. Why don't you stay here tonight? If you rest, you may come up with some new ideas. Oh, you are staying. Okay then. Have a good rest.
How about it, Inuyasha? What do you...
Sure, I agree too. So who do you want to travel with today? Thank you. Well, I think I'll go for a walk. Come with me, Inuyasha.
Oh, do I have to?
Let's go cool off by the river.
Good idea. I'll go too. We can't just sit around here. Let's go.
Where's Sango?
What?
Have you seen Sango?
Well, isn't she in the woods practicing like she always does?
Thanks. I'll go see. Sango?
You're here again. I'm not doing anything interesting.
Do you remember you were saying that you're just a regular human being?
Yes?
Well, do you think if I practiced I could become like you?
Huh? Well,
Do you think I could?
Would you like to try to carry my hiraikos?
Yes. Wow! Sure, I'd love to.
Here, I'll hold this side.
Wow! It's heavy. Oh. I'm surprised at how heavy it is.
Now do you understand? Nothing is easy, not even getting strong.
I'm gonna try hard so I can be like you one day.
Yes, it's important to think that way.
Actually, a traveler named Kakuju is here in this village. Kakuju has been traveling all over the place. Perhaps the traveler knows something.
What? Grandpa Cockatoo is in this village?
You've already met Kakuju?
Yes. I'm gonna go find him.